Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name's Smay, and in this video we're going to be talking about what I've been doing in terms of real estate, in terms of finance, what I've been doing with my life, and also answer a few questions that you guys have asked me. So as of the past month, I've been closing multiple real estate deals for my clients as a real estate agent here in Philadelphia. And going into this new year, going into 2022, there are so many things, just pieces moving. And I'm happy to say that it's been the best month of my life financially. I've been able to help multiple clients get their property, whether that be investment properties or their first dream home. And a lot of these clients, they're coming from nothing. They're starting to build wealth. And I have clients who are looking in the luxury space. Philadelphia is just it's great like that you can have affordable housing while also having amazing luxury properties, and I'm fortunate enough to be able to help both of those type of clients. And if you guys are looking for a home, and if you guys are moving to Philadelphia, feel free to contact me. My contact information will be below. But with that in mind, the past month I've been able to close about 4 deals. Or I'm on pace to close 4 deals this month. Considering my first year in real estate, I'm coming up on my 12th month of having a real estate license. And I kind of want to recap that a little bit for you guys and how the last 12 months have been. So I got licensed in February of 2021, so last year. I was super excited. I documented my whole journey. You guys can watch it on my channel. And as soon as I got my license, I got to learning as much as I can and making sure that I was prepared to help my clients in the best way that a real estate agent can, and being knowledgeable and being reliable. Make sure your clients know exactly the whole process of if they're selling their home, knowing how we're going to market the property, how we're going to make it look nice, and what we're going to get for you. And then if you're a buyer, making sure that the steps of getting a pre-approval from a lender, helping you find a lender if you don't, and then finally showing you houses. And then once we get under contract, what goes on after that, having inspections and appraisals, all of those things. I made sure to get down packed as soon as I got my license. And business-wise, it wasn't that booming, so to speak. I had to kind of develop my client base, my sphere. I had to prospect for clients, and that's the major thing about being a realtor. A lot of it is prospecting, a lot of it is being prepared for clients while also finding clients. In my opinion, the best part is working with clients, and then the hassle is making sure you have clients that are coming in for business, because obviously we have to put food on the table, and if you don't have clients, you obviously don't get paid as a realtor. We get paid when the deal closes, and I've been fortunate enough to now that that's been way better, but in the beginning of getting my license, I was able to quit my restaurant job, my 9-to-5 job, to pursue something that I was passionate about. And although I didn't make a lot of money, I got questioned by my family. Maybe you should have kept working at the job. Maybe you shouldn't have just quit right off the bat like that. But as soon as I got my license, I quit working at a restaurant or any other sidetrack. I basically focused full-time on real estate, and I think that was the best thing that happened to me in the last year, just because it made me focused, driven, and made sure that I knew what I wanted and worked every single day to go get towards it. And so for the first 5 months, I think, of getting my real estate license, I didn't really have too much clients to work with, so I kind of just focused on studying contracts and such like that. And so maybe by like June, July, I was able to close my first deal. So that was about let's say 5 months in. So I didn't close the deal for 5 and 6 months after getting my license. And huge statistics, if you guys didn't know this, 90% of all licensed agents in their first year quit. I believe. I believe it's either 50 or 90%. If you guys know the exact percentage, comment below. But still a huge number, more than half, let's say, of realtors who get licensed in their first 12 months quit. And I obviously was not going to be that person no matter what. I decided to just prospect harder, work harder, and meeting people more. And that slowly garnered more clients naturally. You know, I met more people. My clients, past clients referred me or referred other clients to me. And that's just been a huge boost for me right now. I think I've been able to help 6 different clients within the last, I'll say 6 months. In the last 6 months, I've been able to close a little over $1 million in sales. I have way bigger goals this year. Just in the first quarter of 2022, I want to do about $1 million. And I think I'm on pace to do that. And that's just been my whole focus as of lately. I will continue to make real estate videos on this channel. So if you guys are looking forward to real estate content and how to purchase a home, how to invest in real estate, how to sell a home, what to look for in a realtor, a good realtor. And you know, every realtor is different. I don't want to bash anyone. If you guys look forward to, you know, more real estate content, smash that like button so this video can spread more and hopefully I can help more people. So this year's been great. This year in real estate has just been so eye-opening. It's been a new chapter in my life. I've been able to help so many people find their dream home. Seeing the smiles on their faces is priceless. And I look forward to helping more people sell their home, buy a new home, and all of that. So with that, let's get into some questions that you guys actually asked me on Instagram. I posted a poll. Let's see what questions we have here. So I got a few questions that says, how are you? Thank you for asking, by the way. I've been great. I've been really busy with work, as you guys, as I just mentioned. And I think finding and doing something that I'm passionate about for the first year of my life, it's made me realize that I can do this. I can do what I love and make money and make a living for the rest of my life. There's just so many doors opening this year. I hope I'm able to affect and help more people. Just the reason why I actually started this channel, trying to help as many people who is kind of lost as I was in high school and going to college, beginning college, not knowing what I really wanted to do. And I completely understand that feeling. I remember not being sure of what I wanted to do. So now that I've been able to find something that allows me to wake up every day motivated, it's been great. The money's okay. I think I want to make more. I've lost some friends over the past year, being a very ambitious person. I know friends who are even more ambitious than me. I've made a lot of ambitious friends over the past year and lost some friends, and that's okay. You know, it just sucks sometimes that you can lose friends by kind of being overly passionate about your lifestyle or your life choices, and it's okay. They might not agree with you, and you can't never force anyone to, you know, be as motivated as you, as to sacrifice as many things as you. I've sacrificed a lot of spending time with my friends. I've sacrificed a lot of spending time with my family to work and to better myself, to make money, make a lot of money. Although that does sound very straining, it's great. It's great when you're passionate about it and you're not being forced to do it. You're kind of choosing to do it, knowing, you know, the reward. And I do want to say thank you to everyone, all my friends who have stuck by, who understand the hustle, the grind, the sacrifices that you have to make. And I'm looking forward to growing with everyone. If you guys are watching this and you guys follow me on social media, and if you guys want to reach out, feel free to reach out to me. I'm actually gonna have some Zoom calls later this week with a few people that I connected with on Instagram. Just wanted to get into stocks, and, you know, and start investing. Awesome. You know, if I have the time, I'll make it. and we can set a time for us to get on Zoom, and I can explain, you know, how to open up a brokerage, how to invest in stocks, and I'm not taking any money right now. I don't sell any courses. I don't, you know, sell any programs right now. I don't have anything to sell. I'm helping my friends. I'm helping people I connect with, because I understand when I was trying to learn, no one, you know, had that one-on-one with me. It was kind of just watching YouTube videos, kind of like this. So it's a great start if you guys are here. Feel free to contact me. I don't know what time period you guys are going to be watching this. Maybe 6 months from now, maybe a year from now. I'm not sure how busy I'll be, but if I can, me or someone I know will be helping you guys. And I apologize if I can't get to your DMs or your messages, but as of right now, as of January 2022, I accept my own DMs and emails. So if you guys want to contact me, feel free to. Another question that I was asked on Instagram was, what is my biggest fear? I think my biggest fear is, like right now, is just not being able to help people, not being able to provide assistance and knowledge to clients, number one, and people around me. The client, if you can't provide or you can't be there for them, you lose their trust, you lose their time, and that basically loses you money at the end of the day. That stems from you know, growing up from being poor to not wanting to ever go back again. I know where I came from and I know where I'm going, so I don't want to ever go back to being poor. Fear is a motivation. It's a great question. If you recognize what you're afraid of, then you can recognize what you're going after. And if you're someone who's watching this who, you know, we disconnected over the past year, I just want you guys to know that, you know, I hope everyone's doing fine. I hope you guys are doing amazing. I have had some ups and downs this year, you know, whether that be financially, emotionally, but I hope, you know, that you guys are still doing well. This is the beginning of a new year, and no matter what you're doing, I want you guys to do it consistently and do it well and be happy. If you guys are looking forward to any real estate videos, and if you guys have any questions regarding real estate, like, hey, when should I start saving up? When should I think about buying a house? What age? Where should I look for to buying a house in Philadelphia? Any questions, feel free to comment below. Let me know, contact me directly. And with that, guys, have a wonderful New Year's, and I look forward to seeing you guys on my next video. Peace out.